Okay, Luisito is going to show us how eager he is to stand up. Oh dear, that was all wrong. Not very eager it seems. Luis, you want to get the orange ball? Da 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 da, I'm doing it the easy way, Daddy. Da 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 da, I got the orange ball, Daddy. Yeah, very good. But are you going to stop there? Or are you going to go on to the next quest? To the next level? Isn't that marvelous? Luis? 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 Luisito? Luisito? Luis? Luis? Oh yeah! I'm going to go beyond the next level, Daddy. Are you happy? Say bye bye. Say bye bye.